Python casting. Specify a variable type. There may be times when you want to specify a type onto a variable. This can be done with casting. Python is an object-orientated language, and as such it uses classes to define data types, including its primitive types. Casting in Python is therefore done using constructor functions. Int constructs an integer number from an integer literal, a float literal, or a string literal. Float constructs a float number from an integer literal, a float literal or a string literal. Str constructs a string from a wide variety of data types, including strings, integer literals and float literals. Example: integers. Example: floats. Example: strings.